Here we have an ASUS laptop that came in for repair. The laptop looks something like this. And I did not read the ticket, and I do not have the ticket number. Usually Big Boss writes the ticket number on the motherboard so I can look it up, but he said no power. He just stepped out, and I do not need to look at the ticket because we're gonna troubleshoot for a no power. I'll check the ticket later when he's back. But he already read the ticket and he said it came in for no power. What we're gonna do is start with the DC jack right here. We move up a bit and we see two current sense resistors right here. It looks like he already measured in this area. And he did mention that the laptop has a short circuit, but I need to confirm. If we check here, we have a dead short, a 0.001 voltage drop reading. That's a short. What happens when we have a short circuit? So we can get straight to the point. We're gonna inject voltage using the NF.short voltage injection tool. If you are in the same type of business or you are a hobbyist, you can purchase all your tools from our site. Just log into NorthridgeFix.com, click on shop, add to cart, checkout, pay, and we almost always ship out same day. So let's inject voltage right here. And viewers always ask, how much voltage are you injecting? I mentioned it like 6 million times. Start with 1.2 volts. What about current? It doesn't matter. Just put current 5 amps, 6 amps. The laptop is not gonna take that much. Right now, if we inject voltage here, our voltage injection tool is beeping to indicate that we have a short circuit. And let's check the board under our thermal camera while we inject voltage, and we're gonna monitor to see what gets hot on the board. So we're gonna inject voltage right at the current sense resistor, and we immediately see something hot right over here. We got it. How long did it take? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how long it takes. Okay, so heat spot was coming from right over here, and right off the bat I see what looks like probably a faulty capacitor. It's discolored. Oh, look at this, look at this. I mean, I was able to tell. We have a faulty capacitor. How much are you going to charge the customer? The repair does not depend on how long it takes to fix a device. That's how you make money with your experience. You do the job quicker. You do not charge more money. You charge the same amount of money, but you do it in less time. If you want to charge less because you did the job quicker, because you have the experience, then what good is experience? How does experience pay? The only way it pays is because you do the job quicker. You get paid the same amount of money and you do it quick. But it only took you a minute. It doesn't matter if it takes me a second or it takes me 10 days. The cap is out. We're gonna go back and check to see if we still have a short circuit. Right here. I highly doubt we're gonna have a short circuit, but we have to check. Yes. No more short circuit. Awesome. Amazing. See? We're done. So I'm using the NorthridgeFix brush, Kimtech wipes, and 99% isopropyl. You can buy the brush and Kimtech wipes off our site. And as far as isopropyl, you can use anything 90% and above. Do not use 70%. It contains a lot of water. It may be hard to buy 99% where you live. 91% is fine. 92, 93, 94. Anything over 90 is good. We're gonna plug the battery in. Battery is disconnected, of course. You never want to work on a motherboard if the battery is connected. Never, ever. Battery is connected. And I do not know if the battery is charged, but we're gonna try it. And I see no lights. Okay, so the battery is dead. Unless I'm missing something. I mean, the board was never removed from the laptop. Hello? Just a second. We have a customer. But I want to try it before speaking with the customer. Customer can wait, but the laptop cannot. Push the power button. I do see an orange light right here. Yes, I do see the keyboard backlight. And are we going to see an image? Are we going to see an image? Let's wait. We do not have the heatsink connected on the back. Some laptops do not power on. If we do not have the heatsink, they shut right off. Let me speak with the customer. Oh, right there, right there. Done. We are done. Booting up. I'm gonna hand the laptop over to Big Boss to reassemble and test. We're gonna invoice and mail it back to the customer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll do something else in the next video. That's good. Is it a video card?
Yeah.
Which one?
My 3090.
EVGA?
EVGA.
Oh man, I have 3 on the bench right now. What's wrong with it?
Pop cap. I'm not sure if it any.
I gave the customer a tour. He was interested to see where all the magic happens. And he's gone now.